Hi there! Have you always wanted to learn a digital skill but couldn't? It's often said that nothing good comes easy or cheap. Funny. My name is Gloria and I bring you good news today. You see, the opportunity presented in this video is one you shouldn't miss. So if you've been looking to learn a digital skill for the longest time, then you should fill a form and join our Bees Marrow Digital Skill Up training coming up soon. Bees Marrow Technologies has made it possible and affordable for you to learn all of these digital skills at a discounted rate. This has to be the best news ever. So what are you still waiting for? You can visit our website or any of our physical office, or you can even call the numbers on your screen to make inquiries, fill a form, and we'll see you in class. You see, the thing is, the digital economy is here. Are you ready? Or would you be left behind? The best way to be ready is for you to learn a digital skill today. And we have made it possible this time at a discounted rate. Don't sleep on this opportunity. We can't wait to have you in class.